Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming to you from our very first home. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this, so follow us along and check it out. My name is Johnathan Price, owner and operator of Down4soundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, so let's take y'all through the home, and she knows a lot more about it than I do. I'm just like, if it looks good, that's awesome. So we're gonna do each room and kind of show you what our plans are and tell you what our plans are with it. So first of all, we have this room over here. What are we gonna do with this room?
So we're going to make this into a small home gym.
So we're gonna have all the equipment here. We're really basic when it comes to home workout equipment though, so I think that'll be pretty standard. I do have an idea for right here. If you have seen the JP 13.2 amplifier, could you imagine a 36-inch amplifier being there with the light shining down on it? Not saying it's gonna happen, but it would be pretty cool, right? All right, let's keep it moving. So moving into this area, you can see we kind of got a little ahead of our time right here and started doing a little bit of demo. But so we like modern and really open space, so really clean lines and everything. So in this home, you can see that it's pretty dated. I can't remember when it was built, 2000 or around 2000. So as you can see, the Roman columns in here, I don't know how anybody ever thought that looked good, and all the arches, but we're gonna do away with all that. So all these are this ceiling is gonna be taken all the way up. I don't know if you can see this area right here where this light goes up to right there. It's going to be taken all the way up to there, so that's going to be all opened up. All this is going to be taken out. It's going to be really clean lines. And here is what do they call it, babe? Butler's pantry in here. I don't know why somebody would have a butler in a home like this, but anyway, we're gonna renovate this as well. We're gonna update it. So our plan is to take that door off. We're gonna open it up a lot higher, and there's only gonna be a post right here. All this is going to be open with a bar style thing in there with like wine stuff, all that type of stuff. And then another post like somewhere right here. So you'll be able to see all the way through there. It's gonna open it up a lot. Again, we're taking out all the columns. And in the kitchen, come around this side, where you see this right here, it's gonna go all the way out. So there's not gonna be this ledge right here. It's just gonna be a flat area right here that's gonna be that wide, but all new countertops, painting the cabinets, some new appliances. We're gonna keep some of them as well. And different lighting. All the lighting throughout the house is gonna be changed, right? So we're gonna do that as well. And moving into, I guess, the living room area. Let's go around here. You'll probably see the guys in the background. They're the ones that's actually going to be doing all the work, or most of the work. I'm going to do like 0.01% of the work, just demoing some stuff, so we'll have some fun with that. But this whole area right here where you see this wall and that wall right there, all that is going to be taken out. And where you see this wall right here, it's going to go straight out that way into the backyard area. So this whole area behind is going to be it's going to be a totally open area. We have this whole fireplace and everything is going to be gone. So the room is going to be squared off right there. And then right here, we're going to have our TV, little fireplace. This is going to be the living room area. So all the couches and hangout area here for all our friends and family to come hang out with us and have a good time. Yeah, any arches that you see in the house are going to be squared off. So obviously that is going to be squared off. And this room is going to be Alyssa's room. Do you know what color you're going to do yet? No? So I'll just walk into this part of the room. But this is going to be Alyssa's room, so she'll get to pick the color that she wants and everything like that. She has her own bathroom and closet in there, stand-up shower, so that'll be hers, and she'll be able to use her creativeness when it comes to decorating it however she would like. So we'll go over to this side, which is where I guess you could say it's the guest quarters or something. So if we have guests, they'll stay over here. We have two different rooms. This room is going to be one, you'll see that. And then we have this bathroom right here is going to be our guest bathroom. They'll use this one. So we're going to try to do a really nice job on this one where it looks really cool, do a floating sink and all that good stuff for those reasons. And same thing in the other guest bedroom, which he's standing in right now, but not too much going on in the bathroom back there. We're going to keep it kind of basic. So in here we have our laundry room. We're going to redo all the counters, paint the cabinets. I'm not sure if we're going to use these or not, but I know we are going to lift them up so they're easier to get to. So that's not too much going on in the laundry room because we don't spend too much time in there. So we won't do too much. Here we have the garage. And here we're going to paint everything, the walls, like just make it look really nice. The floors, I think we were talking about doing the epoxy flooring and stuff like that. So we saw that on TikTok, or I don't know exactly where, but it looked really awesome. The people like pouring that epoxy on the floor and it looked slick. Probably is going to look awesome, but when we get out of the vehicles, we got to make sure our feet aren't wet and we're playing slip and slide inside of there. Coming into the master bedroom, again, we're going to take out all the arches. This is going to be taken all the way out. Like this whole, everything that's bumped out that looks like, I don't know, acne, for lack of better words, it's all going to be taken out and all the lines are going to be cleaned up and squared off. So this is going to be our master bedroom. And here we have the closet to the master bedroom. We're going to do custom cabinets and everything in here. And it's going to all be painted, obviously. So not a ton of stuff going on in there. We're thinking bed right here. Again, everything's going to be painted. TV on the wall over there. For whatever reason, we don't watch a lot of TV. But it may be because our TV in our house right now is really small and it's all the way across the room. So we need like binoculars to see. Here, again, we're going to square it off. And this is the master bathroom, sorry. So our plans with this, everything's going to be taken out. This like that you see right here, the bathtub's going to be gone. All this is going to be destroyed. On this side, we're going to do a shower, stand-up shower. We're going to do our bathroom really nice because we're going to spend most of our time in our bathroom getting ready or whatever. So this door is going to be gone. I really don't know why you would have a door coming in from outside on the patio area into your bathroom, but anyway, so that's going to be walled off because now when you look at this, that wall, like this area is not going to be there. That's going to be the den now, or the living room. So all that area right there is going to be even open area. So that wall is going to be all the way out here. So that's going to be a whole wall right there. We're going to we're going to get new countertops, paint the cabinets, custom shower right there. Gonna do a free floating tub right here that'll look really nice. Jess is going to get this entire area is going to be Jess's, but for some reason I have a feeling she's still going to use some of my sink over here because you know how women are. They're going to take up all the room in the bathroom. So anyway, this is bigger than, probably like twice as big as what we have currently at our house. So it should be plenty of room for her to put all of her stuff to get ready there. Then the bathroom, we'll do something decent with that. All right, guys, so no home would be complete. Again, this is going to be our, I don't know if I'd call it a forever home, but for a while home. You're always moving up to the next level and doing things and pushing to become better. So I know that this will be another level for us, and I'm super excited about it because it is our first home. So we're going to make it where it's somewhere we enjoy coming to, and when we walk into there, we're like, wow, this is awesome. I can't believe this is where we get to live at. So very grateful for that. Anyway, no place would be complete without an awesome outside place to go and hang out. So let's go and check out what it looks like now and then what our plans are for it in the future. So come on with me outside. Good. All right, so coming into this back area, there's going to be a lot going on back here for the plans on what we're going to do. So as I said, this whole area right here is going to be blown out and turned into, because this is kind of a dead area that I think of it. So we're going to blow all this out and we're going to bring that wall straight across over there. So all this is going to be inside. And then out here is going to be our patio area where we hang out at. So these squares that I'm standing in right now are going to be our hangout area, and also this area over here. We're going to redo all this, and so this is going to be like hangout area that we have available. Where you see the rock set on the ground through here is where we're going to do the pool at. It's going to be a custom one-off pool where it's going to have an edge, like a overflow water edge and it's going to be partially in ground, but a lot of it's going to be outside or above, so we can have a really great view over here of the strip. You see a square on the ground that's where we're going to have our hot tub jacuzzi area. It's going to be a custom built one as well, so nothing's going to be off the shelf, I guess you could say. Anyway, it's going to look super awesome. I'm super excited about the outside area that we're going to be doing. On this side of where the pool comes up, we're going to have a few seats inside the pool where people can sit there, and there's going to be a barbecue over there where we can have people barbecuing, having a good time. If you're swimming, you can sit over there and eat while you're sitting in the pool. And obviously this area back here will be good for hanging out and having a good time. But anyway, so we're teaming up with my fiance's cousin, Colton Simmons, with Custom Fit Construction here in Las Vegas, real estate and construction. He pretty much does it all. Teaming up with him, they are very talented. They do a great job. They helped us get into this home for a great price, and they're going to help us do the renovation of the entire place through Custom Fit. So if you need anything done, you'll be able to see the before and after, so we'll let the results speak for themselves. So I'm super excited for this. We're going to get a little bit of demo action in here. We're going to get the sledgehammer that we have over here. We got two different ones. So JP's going to get to swinging, so let's have some fun. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under The Life of Price, and also Down4sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.